This one is from Mel and Mia.
Oh, baby's first makeup kit.
Where'd you get this?
We made it. We have our own makeup company. What did you guys do?
Oh my God.
Is this chocolate sprinkles your pubes? This is so beautiful.
You talking about this frosted replica of your vagina?
I got completely waxed, though. I want a clean workspace for the doctor.
That is so considerate. I made them find it.
Pretty good and I'm looking pretty fine. Now you never
So gorgeous.
Where you headed to tonight?
Homecoming.
No sex tonight, okay? Homecoming sex is the worst.
Plus, you're only super tight for a limited time, so you don't want to waste it.
Amen.
The type of girl who can get it how I like.
We're $493,000 in debt.
What the fuck?
Hello, ladies. I'm Clara Luna. I am going to invest $1 million on you.
We would love $1 million. Gucci goo.
Everything you do, I wanna
If you want to be a businesswoman, you're gonna have to act like a boss.
You have to fire him.
The morning comes, then you let me
Barrett, you're fired. What? Don't hate me, hate Mel. It was her idea. What? Listen to us, you're right. Hey, witness my tragic moment. I'm all about getting rich. Just smell like this.
You need to find your balls. Feel the ball smell. Not mine.
I'm sorry.
You touched my coca.
I don't want to touch your coca.
Did you see this?
What? She was just trying to steal our ideas.
You're a boss, bitch.
Thank you.
You're welcome. For your contract, you now have to give Claire every dollar for the rest of your lives.
She ain't getting away with this shit.
You're a lying, backstabbing, bucktooth, Jessica Rabbit-looking motherfucker.
You yeasty bitch. Yeasty. We gonna get our company back.
Oh shit, the baby's here.
What? Put it out. Put it out, girl. That baby look like he's smoking. Look at that.
Is that weed?
We gotta, let's go.
What in the literal fuck?
I don't think he was inhaling. Like,
What?
The baby is fine, not high, nothing.
you guys, why didn't you invite me to smoke with you?